If you are new to resistance training or simply don't have time to spend hours at the gym, the good news is that building strength does not require long, exhausting workouts. In fact, short and consistent movement routines can be just as effective, especially for beginners, busy professionals, and anyone focused on long-term health. Certified personal trainer Felicia Hernandez, who works at Eden Health Club in Greenwood Village, Colorado, emphasizes that consistency matters far more than intensity. According to her, it's not about pushing yourself to exhaustion in one session, but about showing up regularly and moving with intention. Over time, this approach builds a body that feels stable, strong, and supported. Recent research supports this idea. A 2025 study found that performing just 5 minutes of exercise daily for 4 weeks led to noticeable improvements in both physical and mental well-being in inactive adults. These findings highlight how small, manageable workouts can create meaningful change when done consistently. To help people build strength and improve mobility without feeling overwhelmed, Hernandez designed a simple lower body workout that takes only 5 minutes to complete. This routine focuses on glutes, thighs, hips, and calves, using smooth, flowing movements and no equipment at all. The exercises are designed not only to strengthen muscles, but also to improve joint mobility and muscle activation. Mobility and activation are critical, especially for healthy aging. Strong legs support daily activities such as walking, climbing stairs, standing up from a chair, and maintaining balance. Without proper strength and mobility, these everyday movements can become difficult over time. This workout helps address those concerns in a safe, effective way. One of the biggest advantages of this routine is accessibility. Because it requires no equipment, it can be done anywhere, at home, in the office, or while traveling. This removes common barriers like lack of space, gym access, or time constraints, making the routine easier to stick with long-term. Hernandez recommends performing this workout 3 to 5 times per week, or using it as a warm-up before longer workouts or even before going for a walk. Each exercise is performed for 1 minute, allowing you to move at your own pace while focusing on control, posture, and proper breathing. When practiced consistently, this 5-minute lower body routine can help build stronger, more mobile legs, improve posture, enhance circulation, and support overall well-being, all from the comfort of your home. Number 1. Squat to stand. The squat to stand is a powerful full lower body movement that combines mobility and strength into one flowing exercise. It serves as both a warm-up and a strengthening drill, making it ideal for beginners and those with limited time. To begin, stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Reach down and grab your toes or shins, bending your knees if necessary. Keeping your hands in place, slowly drop your hips toward your heels, allowing your body to sink into a deep squat. Use your elbows to gently press your knees outward, opening the hips and inner thighs. From the bottom position, lift your hips, straighten your legs, and return to standing. As you stand fully upright, release your hands and extend your arms overhead, lengthening the spine. This completes 1 repetition. Aim for 8-10 controlled reps within 1 minute. This exercise is highly beneficial for warming up the hamstrings, glutes, and inner thighs, while also improving posture and spinal alignment. It encourages proper squat mechanics, which are essential for daily movements like sitting and standing. Squat to stand also activates the core, improves balance, and increases blood flow to the lower body. Because it integrates multiple joints and muscle groups, it prepares your body for more challenging movements while remaining safe and accessible. Number 2. Glute bridge. The glute bridge is one of the safest and most effective exercises for strengthening the glutes and hips while protecting the lower back. It is especially beneficial for people who sit for long periods or experience lower back discomfort. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, positioned hip-width apart. Place your arms by your sides. Brace your core, press through your heels, and slowly lift your hips toward the ceiling. At the top, squeeze your glutes and hold briefly before lowering your hips back down with control. Aim for 12-15 repetitions in 1 minute, focusing on slow, deliberate movement rather than speed. This exercise helps rebuild hip strength, supports spinal stability, and improves posture. Strong glutes reduce strain on the lower back and knees, making everyday movements safer and more efficient. Glute bridges also enhance muscle activation, making them an excellent choice for warm-ups or rehabilitation-focused routines. Over time, consistent practice leads to stronger hips, improved walking mechanics, and better balance. Number 3. Wall sit. The wall sit is a simple yet challenging isometric exercise that builds lower body endurance and mental toughness. It primarily targets the quadriceps while engaging the core and glutes. Stand with your back against a wall and slowly slide down until your knees are bent at approximately 90 degrees. Keep your feet flat on the floor, knees aligned over your ankles, and your back pressed firmly into the wall. Hold this position for 30-45 seconds, then rest briefly until you complete 1 full minute. To increase difficulty, place a pillow or yoga block between your knees and gently squeeze. Wall sits strengthen the thighs, improve muscular endurance, and enhance focus. Because there is no movement, they reduce joint stress while still delivering a powerful strength stimulus. Number 4. Standing lateral leg raise. This exercise targets the glute medius, a key muscle responsible for hip stability and balance. Weak side glutes can contribute to knee pain and poor posture. Stand upright and hold onto a chair or wall for balance. Lift your right leg out to the side while keeping your torso tall. Avoid leaning. Slowly lower the leg and repeat. Perform 10-12 repetitions per side within 1 minute. Standing lateral leg raises improve hip strength, support knee alignment, and enhance balance, making them essential for injury prevention and healthy aging. Number 5. Heel raise. Heel raises are excellent for strengthening the calves and improving ankle stability. They also promote circulation, which is especially helpful for people who stand or sit for long periods. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Slowly rise onto the balls of your feet, squeezing your calves at the top. Lower back down with control. Aim for 15-20 repetitions in 1 minute. Use a wall or chair for balance if needed. Strong calves support walking, running, and balance, while also reducing the risk of ankle injuries.